Hi everyone. This video is to show you how to clear the service warning indicator that you get on BMW bikes. I have a 2015 R1200R BMW, and once you get the service warning indicator on your dash, after you've had the oil change, you won't be able to clear that that warning. So there's nothing here on the bike you can do yourself here by just clearing a code like you can on other bikes. So as part of an oil change at your BMW dealer, they'll clear it, of course. But if you do your own oil changes, then you're a little stymied. My BMW dealer wanted $50 to clear the code, and I thought, no, I'd rather save the money. So in order to clear that code off of your dash, what you're going to need to do is buy an OBD device. So I purchased the OBDLINK adapter. Now I got the MX Plus version. I think that's the higher end version. We have some newer cars and newer vehicles that this will work with as well. So that's why I did that. But I think the lower valued one. So this one cost me about $100. I think the LX might be around 40 bucks. The CX I think is around $50 or $60, and I think I paid about 80 or 90 bucks for this MX Plus. Okay, so when you in order to, of course, make this work, you've got to connect it to your bike's OBD connector. So on the 2015, they have the older version, the OBD, this thing here. But I think around 17 they switched that to the trapezoidal, so your OBD device would just connect strictly right to this port here on your bike. But of course I needed to buy this cable, so it's a second item that you do need to purchase as well, but I got that for about $10 on Amazon. Okay, so when you receive your OBD connector, they're going to tell you to go to the web and download the app. So I've done that. Now this OBD Link software is only for cars. It doesn't do motorcycles. So you'll also need to download something called MotoScan. And I believe that's specifically for BMW motorcycles in order to get into the OBD elements. So I've opened up, I've opened up the OBD link, and I'm just going to go to settings. Here, the wizard connection. Okay, so it asks you which version do you have. I've got the MX. Okay, so first thing is turn your bike on, and the bike is on. And so we can do that. Let's see, continue. Plug in the OBD link. Now I've done that already, so there it is. It's powered up, so we can say continue for that. Next step, confirm that the power LED is on, and that's the green button there. So we're good. Okay, now it wants to pair. Now it's actually already flashing, but there's a little button right down here. I'm going to hit it again anyways, just for fun. Okay, so that Bluetooth now is flashing away to be paired. Okay, so it gives you all these options. Now if you scroll, you look, here it is. You just look for it. It's in one of these options. Oh, there it is. Okay, now you can go and pair it. And there it goes. So now the OBDLINK software is looking for a vehicle. So it's working from your tablet or your cell phone to the OBDLINK device. But that's where we're going to stop. Not stop, just hold that for a second. Now we need to open the MotoScan app for the BMW. Okay, so here it is. Now I've got the MotoScan Professional. The free version, I believe, will allow you to reset the service indicator. So, but I bought the Professional. I think I paid, I'm going to say $30 or maybe $40 for it. Okay, so my bike is an R series, so I'll hit on that. Now I have to scroll down to my bike, which is a K53 right here, R1200R. Hit on that. Okay, so we're into the control units now, so I'm going to go down to instrument cluster. So it's looking for it. The green bar should come up. There it is. Good. Okay, we've got connection. And now you actually just have to hit instrument cluster again. Now it's going to actually go in. And okay, we've got identification, live data coding, service reset. That's what we're looking for. Okay, now I've already reset this, but here's what we have. It's got your odometer reading. I'm just at 10,000 now. And it's got the dates of today. The next service interval will be 10,000 more kilometers. I believe that's what the manual says. Of course, it's synthetic oil, so I believe 10,000 is the right amount. But if you like to do it more at 8,000 or whatever, then you can just set that number right in here. Instead of 10, put 8,000. You can reset it, and then that'll change the number up top. And then you can change the date for that next service, so it's either 10,000 or 1 year. So that pretty much is how you do it. So hit your resets, and everything will be good for you, and it'll be cleared off the bike. I'm just going to close the MotoScan app now. Gone back to the OBDLINK software, and of course it didn't find the vehicle, so that's fine. I'm going to close this, and we're back to here. So there's lots of other things you can do with these OBDs. I don't know too much about it, and I'm just going to now exit the program, and that's it. Keep the shiny side up, everybody. Take care.